Have you ever pondered how our actions as humans affect the world around us, particularly the animal kingdom? Our influence is widespread and profound. From habitat destruction, pollution, overhunting, to the increasingly concerning climate change, our footprint on this planet has led to severe consequences for many animal species. This is a sobering reality to face, but one that we must not shy away from. With that being said, let's delve into the top 10 animal species that have suffered the most at the hands of humans. At number 10 we have the dodo, a bird that became extinct due to human activities. This flightless bird, once native to the island of Mauritius, was an easy target for sailors due to its inability to fly and its lack of fear towards humans. With no natural predators, the dodo lived a life of relative peace until the arrival of human settlers in the late 16th century. The sailors found the dodo to be an easy source of fresh meat during their long sea voyages. In addition to hunting, the dodo's habitat was destroyed and their eggs were preyed upon by invasive species introduced by humans, such as rats, pigs, and monkeys. Within less than 100 years of the arrival of humans on Mauritius, the dodo was driven to extinction. Despite its iconic status and frequent appearance in popular culture, the dodo's tale is a tragic one. The dodo serves as a stark reminder of the irreversible damage humans can cause. Number 9 on our list is the Tasmanian tiger, another victim of human activity. The Tasmanian tiger, or thylacine, was a remarkable creature that once roamed the island of Tasmania. With its distinct dog-like appearance and a series of dark stripes across its back and tail, this carnivorous marsupial was a unique spectacle in the animal kingdom. Regrettably, fear and misunderstanding led to the Tasmanian tiger's downfall. Misrepresented as a threat to livestock, this innocent creature was hunted ruthlessly. Bounty schemes further accelerated their decrease, and by the 1930s the species was declared extinct. The extinction of the Tasmanian tiger is a stark reminder of the damages inflicted by misconceptions. Their demise was not a result of natural selection, but a consequence of human fear and ignorance. We must strive to learn from this unfortunate chapter in our history, promoting understanding and respect for all creatures no matter how different they may appear. The loss of the Tasmanian tiger shows the disastrous consequences of fear and misunderstanding. Coming in at number 8 is the passenger pigeon, once the most abundant bird in North America. This bird wasn't just abundant, it was a spectacle. Imagine a flock so vast it could block out the sun, turning day into night. That was the passenger pigeon, a species whose numbers were once estimated to be around 3 to 5 billion. Yet, despite their staggering numbers, the passenger pigeon couldn't escape the insatiable human demand for cheap meat. In the 19th century, these birds were hunted relentlessly. Their abundance made them an easy target and they were seen as an inexhaustible resource. Unfortunately, they weren't. The last passenger pigeon, a female named Martha, died in a Cincinnati zoo in 1914, marking the end of a species. The passenger pigeon story is a tragic example of how abundance can lead to downfall. It's a stark reminder of the destructive potential of human greed and the importance of sustainable use of our natural resources. Number 7 on our countdown is the Caribbean monk seal, the only seal species to go extinct due to human causes. Once a common sight in the warm waters of the Caribbean, the monk seal met a tragic end. These seals were hunted relentlessly for their oil, which was highly prized for lighting lamps and lubricating machinery in the early 19th century. The relentless hunting pressure coupled with habitat loss led to their rapid decline. By the mid-20th century, this seal, which had once thrived in its tropical paradise, was declared extinct. The loss of the Caribbean monk seal has had a profound impact on the ecosystem. As a top predator, its absence has led to a ripple effect, disturbing the balance of marine life in the region. The extinction of the Caribbean monk seal is a tragic example of the consequences of overexploitation. Their story serves as a stark reminder of the devastating impact humans can have on animal species. At number 6 we have the quagga, a subspecies of zebra that was hunted to extinction. This elegant creature, once abundant in South Africa, was distinct from other zebras with its unique skin. Unlike its counterparts, the quagga's stripes faded away towards the rear, transitioning into a plain brown coat. This natural wonder, however, became its downfall. Hunted relentlessly for its unique hide, the last known quagga died in an Amsterdam zoo in 1883. Despite its tragic end, the quagga's tale took an interesting turn in the late 20th century. Scientists embarked on an ambitious project called the Quagga Project, seeking to resurrect this lost creature through selective breeding of zebras that carried quagga genes. While not a true quagga, the resulting creatures bear a striking resemblance to their extinct ancestors. The quagga's story serves as a reminder of the importance of biodiversity. It's a testament to the delicate balance of our ecosystems and the crucial role every species plays. Number 5 on our list is the Pyrenean Ibex, the only animal to have gone extinct twice. This striking creature, native to the Pyrenees, a mountain range that straddles Spain and France, was once a common sight. However, overhunting and habitat loss gradually pushed the Pyrenean Ibex, also known as the bucardo, to the brink of extinction. By the late 20th century, the last known individual, a female named Celia, tragically died, marking the end of an entire species. But the story didn't end there. In a bold attempt to reverse extinction, scientists used DNA from Celia to clone a Pyrenean Ibex in 2009. Unfortunately, the cloned Ibex died shortly after birth due to lung defects, marking the second extinction of the species. This unsuccessful attempt highlights the harsh reality that even with advanced technology, we may not be able to undo the damage caused by human activity. The Pyrenean Ibex's story is a stark reminder of the limits of technology in reversing extinction. Coming in at number 4 is the Pygeon dolphin, the first dolphin species to go extinct due to human activity. The Pygeon dolphin, also known as the Chinese river dolphin, was a unique creature. It once swam through the Yangtze River, the longest river in Asia, with grace and elegance. However, the rise of industrialization in China brought about pollution, overfishing and habitat loss, which quickly turned the Pygeon dolphin's home into a hostile environment. The pollution made the river's water murky and toxic, rendering the dolphin's echolocation useless. Overfishing depleted their primary food source, and habitat loss from dam construction further restricted their living space. Despite conservation efforts, the last confirmed sighting of the Pygeon dolphin was in 2006. The Pygeon dolphin's extinction is a grim reminder of the devastating impact of pollution and overfishing on marine life. It serves as a poignant warning that our actions have consequences, often more far-reaching than we can imagine. Number 3 on our countdown is the western black rhino, a species that was poached to extinction. Native to several countries in sub-Saharan Africa, this majestic creature was once a common sight, roaming the savannas and woodlands. However, the western black rhino fell victim to relentless poaching, primarily for its horn, which is highly valued in some cultures for its supposed medicinal properties. The disappearance of the western black rhino has had profound implications for the ecosystems it once inhabited. Rhinos are known as ecosystem engineers because of their role in shaping the landscape. They help to maintain the balance between trees and grasses, which in turn affects the variety and abundance of other species. The loss of the western black rhino has not only reduced biodiversity, but also disrupted the intricate web of life in these ecosystems. The western black rhino's extinction is a grim reminder of the consequences of poaching. At number 2, we have the Javan tiger, another victim of habitat loss and hunting. Native to the Indonesian island of Java, this majestic big cat once roamed the dense tropical forests, its stripes a blur of motion amidst the greenery. However, as human settlements expanded, the forest fell, and the Javan tiger's home with it. Hunting also played a significant role in the tiger's downfall. Despite laws against it, illegal poaching persisted, driven by a demand for tiger parts in traditional medicine and the allure of its beautiful pelt. The last confirmed sighting of the Javan tiger was in the 1970s, and it was declared extinct in 1994. The loss of the Javan tiger has had a profound impact on its ecosystem. As a top predator, it played a crucial role in maintaining balance among prey species. Its absence has led to overpopulation of certain animals, disrupting the natural equilibrium. The Javan tiger's extinction shows the devastating impact of habitat loss and hunting on big cats. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pinta island tortoise, the last of which died in 2012. This unique creature native to the Galapagos Islands was a magnificent example of evolution's handiwork. With a curiously shaped shell that differed from its relatives, the Pinta island tortoise was a marvel to behold. However, its existence was tragically cut short due to 2 major factors. Firstly, the tortoise was hunted extensively for its meat, a practice that significantly reduced its population. Secondly, the introduction of invasive species, particularly goats, onto the island led to the destruction of the tortoise's natural habitat and food sources. The loss of the Pinta island tortoise had a profound impact on the ecosystem, It served as an essential link in the food chain, and its absence disrupted the delicate balance of life on the island. The extinction of the Pinta island tortoise is a sad reminder of the devastating impact humans can have on animal species. As we've seen, our actions as humans can have a profound and often devastating impact on animal species. From the dodo to the Pinta island tortoise, we've witnessed the irreversible consequences of our actions. Each loss is a stark reminder of the importance of conservation and responsible behavior. We must remember, every species plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. We have the power to protect and preserve the world's animal species. Let's use that power wisely.